messages. New message.
So that's the Wi-Fi hotspot feature, that the reason I got this BlackBerry and I upgraded to 7.1. It allows you to connect all the devices to the internet. And this is an iPod. This is an iPod Touch. It's not even an iPhone, as you see. Just an iPod Touch, a regular iPod Touch device. And right now I am on the, it just turned off. I'm on the internet on this device, and I'm getting emails, as you see there. I could use the phone as well at the same time as the Wi-Fi hotspot is being on. It doesn't affect the streaming of the Wi-Fi hotspot, which is kind of cool. As you see there, I just demonstrated that. I was making phone calls, I checked my voicemail, and I'm getting messages and emails at the same time as my iPod Touch is playing. This is a YouTube video actually, and there you go. It's just smooth. It's just really fast, the Wi-Fi hotspot, and it's 4G speeds, so you can't beat that. I mean, it's really good device, and it's that easy. I mean, you just unlock it. I mean, you install 7.1, and you just have the selection for the mobile hotspot, and you just select that. It takes about seconds to start up, and you're already on the internet on another device. If I had a laptop, I could go on the internet on my laptop or whatever, you know, and that's it. That's just a Wi-Fi hotspot demonstration on the BlackBerry model 9790 on T-Mobile, and I have a T-Mobile account, as you see there. And even the map, my Google Maps on the iPod Touch is really fast. I mean, it's a fast connection. You can't complain. And the mobile hotspot, you could use this in a car, on a subway. If you take the train, you commute on a train or mobile transportation like a bus or something where you live. You could go on the internet if you have your iPad or iPod Touch or something that doesn't have Wi-Fi access on its own. You could use your BlackBerry and through your wireless carrier, whoever that is, to go on the internet. And this is why this is such a great phone. I know BlackBerries get a bad rap, and I'm not comparing BlackBerries to other like Android or Apple, but for what I need it to do, it's a really good phone in terms of that Wi-Fi hotspot. No complaints. I know people are saying, oh, Android's been doing Wi-Fi hotspot for years, you know, so I'm not comparing it to that. So, but for what this phone does, for the size, I could put this in my pocket. It's like almost as small as my watch. I mean, it's almost as small as my wristwatch, and I could carry this around like no hassles at all. I mean, a lot of the Android devices are bigger, you know, I'm gonna say that, but for this, what this does, I really love it for the Wi-Fi hotspot. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna say about the Wi-Fi hotspot on this phone. And it doesn't get hot, and as you can see, my battery isn't being drained by the hotspot. Oops. And actually, one more thing about the hotspot. I'm gonna turn it off. You could set the hotspot, the mobile hotspot, on a timer. So if you feel the battery is gonna drain, or you don't want to forget it on, you can set it to turn off automatically after 30 minutes, an hour, whatever you need it to turn off to. The thing with the Wi-Fi hotspot too in the BlackBerry, when you have the mobile hotspot on, it turns on the Wi-Fi antenna. So as you saw what happened when I turned the mobile hotspot on, it turned on that Wi-Fi antenna. So just let you know it's going to be using that antenna as well. So that's where the battery drain comes from that. It's not draining the battery in the 9790. Maybe I heard people complain the 9900 model, the bold model, the battery drains with all that stuff on. But this model doesn't really drain the battery. It's not getting hot. It's in my hand. It's not getting hot with the hotspot on. And that's pretty much all I'm gonna say for that right now. And that's the 9790 Bold.